Hey, welcome to my channel. Great to have you here. Today I want to talk a bit about my first impressions of GoPro Hero 7. I went to Brixen last weekend. That's in the Dolomites, in the Alps, in Europe. I used the weekend to test all the fancy new features of the camera, like Hyperlapse and Hypersmooth, the new image stabilization, and of course I tested the audio because I'm currently vlogging with the GoPro Hero 7, so the audio you are hearing right now is what I recorded with the GoPro. What did I do? I first had a look at the city center of Brixen. It's the oldest town in South Tyrol. And then I went on a short hike with a friend of mine who is into trail running as I am, and I created a short video of that trail run. So if you haven't yet seen it on my channel, just check it out, and I will use some of the content later when I talk about Hypersmooth, the image stabilization. So let's dive right into it. I never had a GoPro before, so I can't compare to anything, but I really love what I got here. The image stabilization is awesome. I went trail running with the camera and I have nothing I can complain about it. I ran the same trails that my friend was running, so I was just running behind him, running the same terrain he ran. So for that, I think the image stabilization is awesome. And as long as there was enough light, the image quality was pretty amazing. In the end, when the light is fading, it's getting a bit less good, I think. Well, but GoPros were never known for great low light performance, and I did not expect that at all. Next thing that blew me away is the Hyperlapse feature. GoPro makes it possible that you just handheld your camera, walk through the streets of a city, for example. I did it in Brixen for testing, and it takes pictures every now and then you can create hyperlapses that are moving time lapses, and they smooth them really nicely. So usually it's a very complicated process, but GoPro makes it easy. I really love it. To create this footage, I simply turned the GoPro heads down on the shorty stick I had it on. It's an accessory they sell for the GoPro. And then I simply walked through the city. No one realized I'm filming, I guess, or at least not that many people knew it because it's a small camera. It's I let my arm hang down on my side, camera stretch out further down, so no one realized. So it's very no one's aware that you are filming. That's awesome. And what's about audio? I guess you can judge that by now, because the whole episode was made on the GoPro, so all the audio is recorded with the GoPro, so that's what you will get when you use it. Only thing I saw in other reviews is when you get the camera wet, the audio quality gets significantly lower, but that can be expected as the water closes all those openings where sound should go in, so that you have to accept that, I guess. What are the points I didn't like about the GoPro? First thing, the batteries that you can use with GoPro are really draining very fast. You get about half an hour to 45 minutes of footage in 4K with it, no more. I didn't test it excessively because I filmed the most time in 2.7K, to get the linear profile. And yes, well, I already bought 3 extra batteries to compensate for that, and I really need them. And the second thing is, if you pan while filming, the hyper smooth stabilization seems to work against that. So a few moments it goes very slow, then it quickly covers the ground. I panned and then it goes slow again, so it's no smooth panning possible at the moment. I don't know whether I just do something wrong or whether I just have to turn off image stabilization and have no other option. I will check that out in the future, but for now it's not that nice. So if you like that video, hit the like button. It really makes a difference to spread that video. Subscribe to my channel to get further updates. I'm really planning on doing a long-term review once I've used it a longer time. Maybe once the skiing season starts, I will do more. You will most certainly get a lot of more short videos I will shoot with GoPro and with my Olympus cameras. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye.